Welcome back everyone. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Cocoa Daisy Christmas bonus kit. These are separate from their regular subscription. They're monthly kits and they ship separately. So I'll leave a little tag up there if you're interested in seeing the December Cranberry Rose monthly subscription kit for December. But this is a special pre-order and it's all Christmas themed. And the reason Christine does that is because even if there's a holiday that falls in a month, let's just say Valentine's Day in February, Halloween in October, Christmas in December, just to name a few, the monthly kits are not going to be heavy on those holiday themes. So if you do choose to celebrate one of those holidays, it might be better to pick up their bonus kit for that holiday. And if you don't celebrate those holidays, it's perfect because your subscription kit won't be heavy on Christmas if you don't celebrate Christmas, if that makes sense. So let's jump in and take a look at the 2020 Christmas bonus kit. Forgotten to cut the tape off the side, so that should jump off. So they did include their Cranberry Rose kit card from the Cranberry Rose kit, even though this is not the Cranberry Rose kit, this is the Christmas kit. But if you place a separate order outside of their subscriptions for anything, they usually send you the kit card. Everything comes packaged nicely in these plastic bags, which I really like because a lot of times here in Illinois we get some gnarly weather, and I've had my Cocoa Daisy kit sit on my porch in the rain before, and this helps keep things protected. And then I had done an unboxing of the Cranberry Rose kit, and one of the kits that I had purchased was the Pocket Memory Keeping Kit, and they had forgotten these alphas. So if you did purchase the Pocket kit and you didn't get your alphas, they shipped separately, so those should be coming to you. And since I had purchased this Christmas kit, they went ahead and stuck that in my box for shipping. Okay, let's take a look at the kit. Okay, so first of all, I was most excited about this. I have their yellow polka dot and their gray polka dot sticker pocket from, it's a zippered sticker pocket is what it's called. I do keep my stickers in here, and even the full-size Cocoa Daisy sheets will fit in here. And I was really excited to get the red one in this Christmas bonus kit to use for December. And of course, then you can save it and use it for other months. If they have that red color in it, you can kind of coordinate. So I was excited to see that. And then next up, I'll show you these. These are like a thick gold puffy number sticker. So if you are doing a December daily album of any sort, you could use that for memory keeping, but also in your planner as well. So that's really nice. And then I'll show you the papers next. You get 6 sheets. They are double-sided. So for example, this is the front and back of the same sheet there. So you get that pattern, and you get this pattern. One has the trees, one has the snowflakes. And then you get 2 of these that have the green Joy to the World, Happy Holidays, and the cranberries on this one. And I'm so glad I did wait. It was hard. I have been jumping in and starting to set up my Christmas planner, my planner for December, and I haven't because I wanted to use some of these papers in my setup. So I'm glad I was patient and waited on that. We also got this acetate with the cranberries and the cardinal. It's very pretty. Definitely be using that. And then this is absolutely stunning. It is a gold foiled vellum. And then we got some pocket cards. Have yourself a merry little Christmas fresh cut Christmas trees, and then the Let It Snow one. And then, let's see, you did get die cuts. I don't usually show every single die cut, but I think I will just kind of flip through these for you so that you can see all the options. I dropped this one, I think. And that Christmas playlist one. Let's deck these halls, make it a December to remember. Ho ho ho. Can't read upside down. You think I would be able to after being a teacher for so long. The best way to spread Christmas cheer is to sing loud for others to hear. Oh, what fun. I won't read all of those to you. You can pause and read if you need to. Got some circles. I do not think that these are adhesive on the back, so you'll have to add, I just use a tape runner from Walmart on mine. Or you can just use a glue stick, to be honest. A lot of times I run out and then I don't want to go to the store, so I just swipe my first grader's Elmer's glue or glue stick and it works totally fine. So those are the die cuts. And then we got this Christmas stamp set. And of course you have to have ink to go with your stamp set. I really do like the Cocoa Daisy inks. They come in some of the kits. Let's see if I can get this open. It is a red color there, the same that's on the label. We did get some burgundy ribbon, which is nice to use on tags or on the edge of your inserts or your memory keeping spreads. And then we did get a cozy little Simon clip with his scarf, all dressed up for winter, and a silver striped foil washi. And then lastly, we have some smaller sticker sheets, so I'll flip through those for you as well. And I'll save my favorite for last. I love this. You could use this as part of your December daily, or just, I think I'm going to use them to date my inserts. Give a little extra jazz to your insert dates. Those are really cute. So this is the December 2020 bonus kit. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy crafting.